Well, it's Tuesday, and you know what that means. It's Life with Patty, and it's Tea Tuesday time. My awesome friend Patty always has some great things going on her channel. Please go check it out. She has such a great variety of different things for you to watch. You will never get bored on her channel. And let's go see her wonderful co-hostess, Kathy's favorite things. Oh, yeah, she does a great job on her channel too. Go check them both out. And please go check out the playlist. We have some awesome creators that join in for Tea Tuesday every week. Let's go see what Grandma did. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for stopping by. We had so many comments about this beautiful vine that was in the video. This is called a wisteria. It looks like a tree, but it really is a vine. My girlfriend trims it up to look like a tree. And the flowers, are they not beautiful? And they smell wonderful. So we're going to be talking about it today on Tea Tuesday. And look who came by to be in the video. Hi, Grandma. We're so excited to be here with you. Well, I'm excited that you're here also. And we're here for Tea Tuesday. Yes, Grandma, we are so happy that you invited us for Tea Tuesday today. Yes, we are. We have had so much fun this month with you so far, and we couldn't believe how beautiful your girlfriend's yard is. And we love her beautiful wisteria tree or vine. Yes, we loved it too. How about Alice? What did you think of it? I loved it, Grandma. I could not believe how pretty that beautiful wisteria plant was. It was just gorgeous, and the beautiful flowers and everything smells so good. Thank you so much for taking us with you. This has been a wonderful outing, and getting to do Tea Tuesday with you too. We are so happy. Have we ever done a Tea Tuesday, right, White Rabbit? I don't know. I can't remember. I'm going to have to go back and check. But it feels exciting this year. So if we have, this is just a better time, I think. I guess I'm like you. I think we're having a better time. Well, we want to say hi to all of Grandma's wonderful followers. Yes, we want to say hi to all of her Grandma's wonderful followers. Thanks for coming by for Tea Tuesday, and thank you so much for all the love and support you've been giving to us for Alice in Wonderland time. Well, it's time to talk about our beautiful new teacup and saucer that Grandma got today. Isn't it beautiful? I found this at a secondhand store. I couldn't believe how beautiful it looked. And I have my white teapot I've had for quite a few years. So the only thing new on this table, well, the rabbits in the background are nude also. And this beautiful cup and saucer I got at a secondhand store was new also. We had some cinnamon tea in it, and it really was tasty, wasn't it, Alice? Oh, yeah, I loved it, Grandma. I've never had cinnamon tea. I've never had cinnamon tea either. And the little rabbit said, I haven't either. Well, we'll have to get some for you next time again. And look at how beautiful the saucer looks, how it's all trimmed out. And the cup matches perfectly. And I love the little white polka dots on the black background. And that beautiful bow on the handle. Isn't it beautiful? It looks like lace work. It is so beautiful and unusual. I have never seen anything like this. And look, it looks like a brooch on the handle. I've never seen this at all, and it was so beautiful. I just had to buy it because you know I do collecting of teapots and saucers and cups, and I thought it went beautiful for this Alice in Wonderland theme. What did you think? Leave me a comment. I had a lot of people asking me about this plant in the comment section, and this really isn't a tree at all. Believe it or not, it's a vine. It's a wisteria vine. And if you keep it trimmed up, over time it gets a large base and if it has a support, it will stand up like a tree. And a wisteria plant is quite large. It lives 50 years and it can grow 70 feet wide at each end. So that would be about 140 feet it could spread out over time. But you can keep it trimmed short like my girlfriend. She trims hers back really hard and keeps it firm where it doesn't go out real wide. Now wisteria's plants are poisonous, so you can't be putting the flowers and eating them or eating the leaves or the seeds. So just thought I would let you know that too. They're very invasive if you don't keep them trimmed. Don't put a wisteria plant near your home. It will work its way underneath your eaves and can even lift your roof off your home. So it's very dangerous to plant it next to your home. My girlfriend has hers out in the middle of the back of her lot, as you can see, and she keeps it trimmed every year. And it only blooms this time of the year. And after those flowers go away, then the leaves will come. And I try to get out there every year about this time to take pictures of this beautiful wisteria tree plant she has in her backyard. And she cut these beautiful flowers off that you see on the table, and are they not beautiful? So I just thought I would share all this information with you, and hope you enjoyed the information. Look at these flowers up and close. Aren't they beautiful? I just love them. And I know you may not believe it, this was at the back of her lot, and we were on the patio, and you could still smell the perfume from this wisteria, the wonderful smell of these flowers. It was just beautiful. And I was really thinking about putting one in until I read up on it, and I realized that you got to be pretty well taking care of your wisteria plant if you don't let it get out of control. So keep in mind, if you'd like to plant one of these, make sure you keep it under control, because you don't know if you'd like to have 70 foot or 140 feet of tree along your back wall. Please don't put it near your home, remember I told you. And it likes a sunny place also. But if you keep it trimmed up nice like my girlfriend, you'll see the flowers are just beautiful. I don't think there's any plant that's more beautiful than a wisteria plant or vine. Well, I hope you enjoyed the information I gave you. I had a lot of people didn't know what the plant was, and I'm not very good at explaining what plants are in my videos, as we all know. Thank you so much for all of your love and support and watching my videos. If you want to see more about this beautiful wisteria plant, it's on my Easter video and my Tablescape video this week. And we're also making it one of our things to talk about on Tea Tuesday this week also, because I love the beautiful wisteria plant or vine or tree, whatever you want to call it. It is beautiful. Thank you all for all your love and support. Please check out the playlist for Tea Tuesday. We have a lot of awesome creators.